Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of October in 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.6. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.83%. This translates to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and modestly rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement. The prevailing trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 3.61% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.99% to positive 7.90%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 28.64% over the next year, with an anticipated return between 19.05% and 39.30%. This implies a price range of approximately $587 to $687 after a year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for QQQ ETF Price After Friday Trading. The QQQ ETF price gained approximately 0.156% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of October, 2024. It rose from $492.59 to $493.36. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.86%, with a day low at $490.17 and a day high of $494.38. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.36% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares bought and sold for approximately $9.83 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume during rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 2.02%, or $10.16 below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. In recent news, the Invesco QQQ ETF, which tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, has captured attention for its performance and investment strategies. As of the 11th of October, experts are discussing options for ensuring QQQ positions, reflecting a cautious approach as market dynamics shift. This interest in protective strategies indicates heightened volatility concerns, which could influence investor sentiment in both the short and long term. Moreover, exchange-traded funds remain a vital component of investment portfolios, with a notable increase in global listings, showcasing growing popularity. The QQQ's distinctive positioning among these ETFs is underscored by its focus on growth stocks, which recently benefited from lowering interest rates. This environment is conducive to potential price increases in the short term, especially as growth stocks regain momentum. Additionally, recent technical analysis suggests that after a period of consolidation, the NASDAQ could be on the verge of significant upward movement. Investors leaning toward larger cap stocks, including those within QQQ, might find this an encouraging signal. Long-term, QQQ's association with dividend growth strategies highlights its potential for generating passive income, appealing to a broad array of investors seeking stability amidst market fluctuations. As these trends unfold, QQQ's ability to adapt and respond to both market conditions and investor preferences could significantly shape its price trajectory moving forward. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which presents a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels $488.49 and $477.08. If either of these levels is breached, it will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, leading to an increase of 13.48% so far. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 47 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal from 49 days ago. The short-term moving average points to a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 224 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange traded finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the exchange-traded fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $4.21 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.86%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.10%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest a diminished expectation for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, which might present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $494.82. If you don't currently hold any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already owning the stock, This could represent a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at 448.75 cents. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $477.28, reflecting a decrease of 3.26%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 46 days prior. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower, declining by approximately 72 cents, starting at $492.64. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.